Mike, let me ask you something. When you want to speak English, do you first think in your own language and then translate everything into English?
Honestly, yes. I know what I want to say, but I translate it in my head first. And by the time I find the English words, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly. And that could be the reason you understand English, but still struggle to speak naturally. Today, we're going to show you how to start thinking in English instead of translating every sentence in your head. Hi everyone, I'm Ayla.
And I'm Mike. It's great to have you with us.
Today, we're talking about something that can completely change the way you speak English. How to think in English instead of translating in your head.
Oh, I really need this. Sometimes I know exactly what I want to say, but I first think in my own language, translate it into English, and then I'm already too slow.
Yes, and you're definitely not the only one, Mike. A lot of English learners have the same problem.
So are we going to learn how to stop translating?
Exactly. And we're going to practice it together with simple, everyday English.
That sounds easy enough. I'm ready.
And you can practice with us too. Listen carefully, answer our questions, and say the sentences out loud.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.
All right, Mike. Are you ready to start thinking in English?
Absolutely. Let's do it.
Let's get started. Okay, Mike. First, tell me something.
Sure.
What happens in your head when someone asks you a simple question in English?
First, I understand the question.
Okay.
Then I think about my answer in my own language.
Right.
Then I translate my answer into English.
And then?
Then I worry about grammar.
And by that time?
The other person is probably waiting for me.
Exactly. And that is what we want to change today.
So what should I do instead?
Start small.
Small?
Very small. You don't need to think in long English sentences all day.
Good, because that sounds difficult.
You don't have to do that. Start with simple thoughts.
Like what?
Look around you. If you see a cup, think, this is a cup.
This is a cup.
If you're hungry, think, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
If you're tired, think, I'm tired.
I'm tired.
See, you're already thinking in English.
Wait, that's really simple.
Exactly. Simple is the point. You don't need difficult vocabulary.
So I can practice English with things I see every day?
Yes, and that is one of the easiest ways to start. Look at your phone.
My phone.
Think, I'm checking my phone.
I'm checking my phone.
Look at the door.
The door is open.
Perfect. Look outside.
It's sunny today.
Excellent.
I didn't translate anything.
Exactly. That's the feeling we want. Now, everyone watching, let's try this together. Look around your room. Find one thing. Don't translate. Just describe it in simple English.
Maybe you see a chair.
Think, this is a chair.
This is a chair.
Maybe you see a window.
The window is open.
Maybe you see a computer.
I'm using my computer.
Great. How did that feel?
Easy.
That's because you didn't try to create a perfect sentence.
I just said what I saw.
Exactly. And that's our first important lesson.
What's that?
Don't translate everything. Connect English directly to what you see, feel, and do.
That sounds much easier.
It is. Now let's make it a little more challenging.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine you wake up in the morning.
Okay.
Don't think in your first language, just think in English. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I need some water.
I need some water.
Where is my phone?
Where is my phone?
Oh, there it is.
Oh, there it is.
Great.
This actually feels like a real morning.
Exactly. That's why it works. You're not sitting down and memorizing random sentences.
You're connecting English to your real life.
Yes. And here's something important. Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
That's hard for many learners.
I know.
Sometimes I want to say everything perfectly
And that can stop you from speaking.
because I'm thinking, is this grammar correct?
Exactly. But when you're practicing thinking in English, your first goal is communication,
Not perfection.
not perfection.
Progress.
Exactly. Let's practice that sentence. I don't need to be perfect.
I don't need to be perfect.
Again,
I don't need to be perfect.
I just need to practice.
I just need to practice.
One more time together.
I don't need to be perfect. I just need to practice.
Beautiful. Now let's talk about a common situation.
Okay.
You're talking to someone in English.
Right.
They ask you, "What did you do yesterday?" What would you do?
I would probably start translating.
Not today.
Right, not today.
Start with something simple.
Yesterday, I went to work.
Great.
After work, I went home.
Perfect.
I made dinner.
Good.
Then I watched a movie.
Excellent. Did you notice something?
What?
You didn't need difficult English.
True.
You just told a simple story.
And I didn't translate every word.
Exactly. Now your turn. Think about yesterday. What did you do? Don't say it in your first language first. Think directly in English. Maybe, I went to work. I talked to my friend. I ate lunch. I came home. I watched TV.
Easy.
Yes. And if you can make 5 simple sentences without translating, you're already training your brain.
That's a great feeling.
It is. Now let's talk about another problem.
What's that?
English learners often translate because they don't know enough English.
That's what I thought.
But sometimes the real problem isn't vocabulary.
Then what is it?
You know the words, but you don't practice using them quickly.
Ah.
You may know the word hungry,
Hungry.
but when you're hungry, do you automatically think, I'm hungry?
Maybe not.
That's what we want to train.
So the goal is automatic English.
Exactly. You see food,
I'm hungry.
you see rain,
It's raining.
you finish work,
I'm tired.
you want coffee.
I want some coffee.
Perfect.
This is actually fun.
English practice can be fun. Now I have a challenge for you.
Another challenge?
Yes, this one is a little harder.
Okay, let's do it.
For the next few seconds, I'm going to give you a situation. You think of the English sentence before Mike says it.
Oh, I like this.
Situation 1. You're thirsty.
I need some water.
Did you think of it before Mike?
Hopefully.
Situation 2. You're cold.
I'm cold.
Situation 3. Your friend is calling you.
My friend is calling me.
Situation 4. You don't understand someone.
Could you say that again, please?
Excellent. See what we're doing?
We're connecting situations directly to English.
Exactly. And the more you do this, the less you need to translate.
So instead of thinking, I need to do this in my first language,
Try thinking, I need to do this.
I need to do this.
Instead of translating, I'm tired,
Just think, I'm tired.
exactly. One sentence at a time.
I like that.
And here's something I want you to remember.
You don't need to think in English perfectly.
You just need to think in English more often.
That's an important difference.
Very important. Maybe today you think in English for 2 minutes,
Tomorrow, 5 minutes.
then 10 minutes.
And eventually, it becomes natural.
Exactly. That's how you build the habit.
Slowly.
Naturally.
Consistently.
Yes. And that's how you start thinking in English.
I like this.
Me too. And if this podcast helped you today, please give this video a like.
And subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations and speaking practice.
And don't forget to leave your sentence in the comments,
We want to hear your English,
even if it's a simple sentence.
especially if it's a simple sentence.
Exactly. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Keep practicing
Keep thinking.
and keep speaking.
I'll see you in the next podcast.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.